say today's a kind of day when we're trying to unfold a roach blunt. Roach blunt. Roach blunt. To expect the storm was a fluke like Spinnaker said. I didn't take the time to resupply. Now we're stuck inside on board and trying to the mountain we can totally tread. With an idea just popped into my head. Go burn on the lift and roll a single split. Just remember that we don't got shit. Hit the car up but it didn't come back. And then we don't got nothing on deck. Poor Izzy man, he's a wreck. Shed a whole team now and it can't accept. The spark in my eye, I realized it was a glimmer of hope, not far away. So I reached in my tray and all one, two, we say today's a kind of day when we're trying to roll a roach blunt. Roach blunt. Roach blunt.
Thank you.